Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about 10th class chapter number 7 coordinate geometry, part number 6 you can say according to me. Exercise 7.2, 3 questions we have done, and now I am giving idea about question number 4. I will try to complete this exercise today. So fourth question is this: find the ratio in which the line segment, a line segment is given to you. You know about line segment. What is line segment? Having both starting and ending point. So AB is a line segment. Here A coordinate are given -3 and 10, and B coordinates are given 6 and -8. And there is a point C on line segment AB whose coordinates are given -1 and 6. You have to tell this C divide this line segment in which ratio. So we can say this divide this line segment in the ratio k raised to 1. So here value of m1 equal to k and m2 equal to 1. Formula you know. So this -1 equal to m1 into x2 plus m2 that is 1 into -3 divided by m1 plus m2. Similarly, this 6 is equal to k multiply with what? -8 plus 1 multiply with 10 and this. So find out the value of what? K. So that's the ratio in which they divide. You can solve it. This is just idea about it. Now question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment, again given what? A line segment AB. Which line segment? AB, having coordinate of A is what? 1 and -5, and coordinates of B are -4 and 5, and divided by x-axis. This is x-axis passing through it. So you know on x-axis y is 0, y coordinate is 0. So we are saying let the coordinate of this point C which intersect this line segment is x and 0, and divide in which ratio? K raised to 1. In which ratio? This divide into k raised to 1. Again find out x value. X is equal to what? K into -4 plus 1 into 1 divided by k plus 1. This is y coordinate, y is 0. So k into 5 plus 1 into -5. So by second equal to 0. So find out whose value? K value you can find out. So k value coming 1, then put the value, it's meaning k value 1, meaning this divide 1 raised to 1. Then x-axis divide the given line segment in which ratio? 1 raised to 1. So after this you have to find out what are the coordinate of point C. You have to also find the coordinate of the point of the division. So put value of k here. So it's given x is equal to k is equal to 1. So -4 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. It's meaning -4 plus 1, -3, 1 plus 2. So this coming. So this divide in which ratio? -3 by 2 and 0 are the coordinate of this point, and divide in which ratio? 1 raised to 1. Now which question number 6? It's given if these are the vertex of a parallelogram. A whose this is 1 and 2, B 4 and y, C this is B, C is what? X and 6, D is what? 3 and 5. So you have to find out the value of x and y, and you know diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. Let they are intersect at where? At O. Bisect each other. Bisect meaning divide into two equal parts. So what are the coordinates of this point O? According to this, our coordinate are what? 7 by 2, and this is 5 plus y by 2. And what are the coordinate according to this? Divide into same ratio. It's meaning 1 plus x, x plus 1 by 2, and this is 6 plus 2, 8 by 2. These are like this. So, but coordinate of the same point, so x coordinate you can say, you can write, we know diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other at O. Therefore, 7 by 2 is equal to x plus 1 by 2. So this becomes 7 by 2 into 2 by 1 is equal to x plus 1. Cancel. 7 equal to x plus 1. This implies what? Or here brings 7 minus 1 equal to x. This implies x equal to 6. Similarly, find out y. 5 plus y by 2 is equal to 4, or 8 by 2 you can say. So 2 cancel 2, 5 plus y is equal to 8, and y is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So what are the coordinates of this value of x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. This is the answer of this. Understood? Question number 7. This is also easy, no problem in it. Find the coordinate of the point A, where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is this. This is, and this is the diameter. A point is this, and B point is this, and this is the center O. Saying like this, find center coordinate are what? 2 and minus 3, and B coordinate are 1 and 4. So what you can say, let the coordinate of x is this, A's coordinate is this. So as you know, AOA also radius, OB also radius, both are equal. Center divides the diameter into 2 equal parts. So therefore x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So x plus 1 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. So y plus 4 is equal to minus 6, and y is equal to minus 6 minus 4 equal to minus 10. So what are the coordinate of this? 3 and minus 10. So much easy portion of math of this. If you can understand how can find out coordinates, what's the relationship between them. So I am just giving idea about this. Question number 8. Exercise 7.2. A and B are a point given. This is point A whose coordinate are minus 2, and B is a point whose coordinates are 2 and minus 4. Find the coordinates of the point. This is a point P. Let its coordinate are x and y. So what's this? It's given. Find the coordinates of the point P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. Understood? So its meaning 7 AP equal to 3 AP plus BP. Understood? So this becomes 7 AP is equal to 3 AP plus 3 BP. Bring in this side, this become 4 AP is equal to 3 BP. So AP by BP is equal to what? 3 by 4. It's meaning what's this ratio? 3 raised to 4. Here M1 is what? 3, M2 equal to 4. Find out coordinates. X is equal to M1 3 into 2 6 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 by 7. So X is equal to minus 2 by 7. Now Y is equal to 3 into minus 4 12 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 by 3 plus 4 minus 20 by 7. So xy is equal to what? So this here you can write minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. So easily you can calculate this. This is also easy. Only try to understand this. 9th question. Find the coordinate of the point which divide the line segments joining this into 4 equal parts. So this is a line segment. A minus 2, 2, B 28. Understood? So let this is a point C which divide in this ratio and its coordinate are x and y. So x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Understood? So x is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0. So this is 0. Y is equal to 2 plus 8 by 2 is equal to 5. Again AC, half of AC is equal to, you can say this is equal to AD. These point is this, whose coordinate are x1, y1. AD equal to DC. So this D again divide into the 2 equal parts. So x1 is equal to what? This plus this. Its meaning minus 2 plus 0 divided by 2. Its meaning is what? Minus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. So this is minus 1. Y1 is equal to what? 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. So this is what? 7 by 2. Now let this E point divide. Now E divide BC into 2 equal parts. And let its coordinate are x2, y2. So x2 is equal to 0 plus 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So what is this equal to? 1. Y2 is equal to what? 5 plus 8 by 2 is equal to 13 by 2. So what is 13 by 2? So you have to find out these all are equal, this equal to this equal to this equal to this. Understood? So here you can say AD equal to DC equal to CE equal to EB. Understood? So Understood easily? Question number exercise. Find the area of a rhombus. Its vertices are given like this. So rhombus, you know, it is a closed quadrilateral having all sides are equal. Coordinates of A is given 3, 0. Coordinates of B is given 4 and 5. Coordinates of C is given -1 and 4. Coordinates of D is given -2, -1. So this is its diagonal. This is also its diagonal. So AC is equal to what? Under the root -1, -3, -4 whole square plus 4 -0 whole square is equal to 16 plus 16 is equal to 1 root 32 is equal to 4 under root 2. Similarly, BD is equal to -2, -4, -6 whole square plus -1, -5, -6 whole square is equal to 36 plus 36 is equal to 1 root 72 is equal to 6 under root 2. And we know area of a rhombus one by 2 into product of diagonals. So is equal to 1 by 2. What's its diagonal? 1. 4 under root 2 by 1 into 6 under root 2 by 1. So this coming 4 into 6 into 2 by 2. 2 cancel 2. It's meaning 24 unit square. This is the answer of it. So this exercise complete. Solve this exercise from question number 5 to question number 10 in your rough notebook until question number 4 in your fair notebook. Next topic, area of triangle, we will start this tomorrow. Thank you all of you.